Yeah, we got a double Mene feature today. We got 2 boxes. Guess we'll start with this one first. It's boxing breaking number 1 of the day. In reality, this is like my 9th unboxing, I believe. But yeah, I've been loving Mene. I get like 2 items basically a week using a promo code, getting friends to join. Alright, so if you've ever seen any of my other videos, you already know that Mene packs it with blue paper. Get your Mene gift. This is a certificate of authenticity, and then there's also a card in there for 15% off if you put at Mene 24 karat. There's a bag for friends. You plan on giving it as a gift. There's also a invoice telling you how much your item was, and let's get straight to it. This is going to be my first unboxing for the day. Got 2 boxes. Get this little pouch open. A little pain in the ass, but apparently this one I did really quickly. Alright, what do we got today? Charm number 1 of 2 is the crown. And they sent me the wrong crown. This is the princess crown. I actually ordered the prince crown. It has like a little cross on the top. But I believe this one is slightly heavier. It's slightly heavier, so in reality, I guess I kind of won with that one, huh? Let's see. Yeah, this one is essentially the princess crown. I ordered the prince crown. Let's see. Platinum. I'm looking it up on my laptop. So yeah, this is essentially 3.41 gram princess crown, which was $117.82. The one I officially ordered was the prince crown, which is 2.98 grams of platinum. It's $102, and I mean, they gave me the wrong one, but they gave me half of a gram more platinum, so I don't know exactly how much I'm going to complain, because I'm probably not going to complain at all. But what I will need to do is I will need to order a prince charm. It's definitely dope, though. I mean, I liked it. I like it. You can tell that it is a crown, but it's a princess crown. It's cool. It's heavier than the one that I originally ordered. So I mean, I'm not like mad or anything, but it's definitely not the one that I ordered. All right. That is the first one of the day. Now let's get to the second one, which means this one should be a number. I believe I ordered number 1 or number 7. I have to check it. All right, unboxing number 2. First, we had the crown, more paper, gift box, certificate of authenticity, gift bag for friends. I'm actually just gonna throw this all away. Not all of it, but all the paper. Invoice. And let's get straight to the unboxing. I'm at work. I could literally get a customer at any given time. So this one came with 16-inch black leather for bracelet. I honestly never use these because I make my own bracelets, which I probably will be making a video showing off all of my Mene charm bracelets. I have a good deal of them. All right, this should be a number. The number 1. Yes, that's what I ordered. Platinum number 1. I got this for 30 cents using holiday gift coupon code. It was a $50 coupon code. I had a $5 coupon code for a review and a $5 coupon code for having somebody sign up. It was a $60.30 charm, and this number 1 only cost me $30 out of my pocket. So definitely pretty happy. I've got a lot more Mene. I'm not disappointed that I got the wrong charm. It was a slightly heavier charm, so I got more platinum for what I paid for, but you know, whatever. And I believe that charm actually only cost me $50. The crown. Like I said, I originally ordered the $103 charm, men's crown, and they sent me the women's one for $117. So I mean, I got $16 basically worth of more platinum. So you know, it's not bad. I'll take it. But like my video, I have another charm coming in the next couple of days. I'm gonna make another video. This is a twofer. So this is going to be, I guess, 9 and 10. So thank you, and like my videos.